Welcome to Optima FS. In this video, I will review to you another powerful strategy you can use to make thousands of dollars trading volatility 75 index. Now, the strategy I'm about to review to you is a scalping strategy. So we are on 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame. This is a scalping strategy. Now, the indicators we are be using in this particular video is what ADS and moving average. Now, whenever you see candlesticks above this moving average, now come down to the section where you have ADS indicator and observe the crossing there. If the candlesticks are above moving average, look for where the ADS crossing, that is where the green line of the ADS is above, and initiate your trading immediately. Do you understand? Now, let's see how the strategy works. Now, this is look at this. This is moving average. This is moving average, and if you observe very well, you will see that the candlesticks are above this moving average. So what we will be looking at is what buying signals, only buying signals, and we will take our buying signal from where ADS crosses each other, whereby the green line of the ADS is above. Now, watch here. This is the crossing here, and this is a place where you need to initiate your words buy signal. Do you understand? Now, this is a scalping strategy, so you don't need to stay long in the market. Do you understand? So once you initiate your buy signal here, then this is your profit. You take your profit and go out of the market and wait for another signal. Now, this is a scalping strategy, so you don't need to spend time in the market. You don't need to hold long the market. Do you understand? Because a lot of signals will be coming. So we are on 5 minutes time frame. Any entry you make, you don't need to stay long in the market. Do you understand? Now we proceed. Watch here now. There is another crossing here for you to make your money. Watch here, and this is where you need to do what? Initiate your trade. Do you understand? And this is your what? Profit. As easy as that. Go out of the market once you make a lot of gain and wait for another signal. Now continue moving. Do you understand? Now observe very well that the price is still above the moving average. The price is still above the moving average. Look here, this is the moving average here. Do you understand? So we are still on our buying signals. Do you understand? So here is another crossing for you to take a buy signal. Watch here, and this is where you need to do what? Execute your buy position. Do you understand? And this is a lot of profit for you. As easy as that. Do you understand? If you observe very well, we are only taking buy positions because the price is above this moving average. Do you understand? So let's move. Watch here now. The price now, there is something I want to show you here. Look very carefully. There is something I want to show you now. Watch here. If you look here, you will see that the price or the moving average seems to be in a horizontal level, crossing across the candlesticks. Whenever you observe something like this, If you are a beginner in trading, stay away from the market. But if you are a pro trader, you can use resistance and support to make gain here. But if you are a beginner in trading, whenever you see the moving average moving across the candlesticks, that is a clear indication that the market is what, in a ranging state. So you need to stay away from the market. Do you understand? So this our strategy only apply when the price or the candlesticks are far away from the moving average. Do you understand? So let's proceed. Let's proceed. Now watch here. Watch here. There is a crossing here. If you observe very well, you will see that. If you observe very well, you see that the candlesticks are now below this moving average. So only selling signals we'll be looking at. Do you understand? Whereby the red line of the ADS is above. Do you understand? So watch here, you see that there is a crossing here, and this is where you need to do what? Initiate your sell signal. Do you understand? Initiate your sell signal here. Do you understand? So this is a profit for you. So only selling signal is what we will be looking at right now. Now this is another crossing here. Watch here. This is another crossing for you to make a lot of gain. Watch here. There is a crossing here, and this is a particular place where you need to do what? Look at it. Do you understand? Initiate your sell signal at this point. At this point, initiate your sell signal at this point. Do you understand? And this is a lot of gain for you to make. Watch it. This is a lot of gain for you to make. This is a lot of gain for you to make. Watch it. Do you understand? So, as far as the markets, as far as the candlesticks remain below this moving average, only selling. Look at this. Look at this. This is where you need to do what? Execute your sell signal, and this is your profit. Take your profit and go away from the market and wait for another signal. Do you understand? This is another opportunity for you to leave the market. This is another crossing here. If you observe, this is where the crossing occurs. So you do what? You initiate your sell signal there, and this is your what? Profit. As easy as that. Do you understand? Now this is another opportunity for you to make huge gain from the market. This is another crossing here, and if you observe, this is where you need to set your, look at this. This is where you need to do what? Make your sell entry. Do you understand? And do what? Take your profit and go outside, move away from the market and wait for another signal. Now this is a scalping strategy. You can do this more than 20 times in a day. You can do this more than 20 times in a day. So you don't need to rush the market. You don't need to rush into the market. Just wait for the market to come to you. Do you understand? Because this is what? Scalping strategy. This is a scalping strategy and 5 minutes time frame. Do you understand? So once you make a lot of profits according to the amount you want to make, you can do what? Close all the trade and wait for the next day. Do you understand? So if you love the video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.